Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup AirPods settings with iCloud and device pairing notes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your AirPods settings with iCloud, start by ensuring that your iCloud account is set up on your device. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the screen. Select iCloud from the list of options. Make sure the toggle next to iCloud Backup is turned on. Now, tap on Backup Now to create a fresh backup. Once your device is backed up, your AirPods settings will be included in this backup. Next, confirm that your AirPods are connected to your device. Go back to Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Locate your AirPods in the list and tap the eye icon next to them. Here, you can see and adjust your AirPods settings. If you want to take notes on device pairing, record any specific settings or preferences you have for using your AirPods. You can write down details about features like active noise cancellation or transparency mode. Keep these notes in a safe place for future reference. To restore your AirPods settings from iCloud, simply sign in with your iCloud account on a new or reset device. Your backed up settings will be automatically applied when you connect your AirPods. This will save you time by automatically restoring your preferred configurations. By following these steps, your AirPods settings and device pairing notes will be securely backed up with iCloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.